All right, let's kill an 80 base. First thing, send in Nix. Okay, the first attack, you don't have missiles, so you just got to go in. You got your electric op. You kill this guy with electric op. Okay, that means one thing. I didn't turn the electric op on. How's that for being dumb? Your Nix dies if you don't. Hurry up and wait for the lag to go by. Let's try this again. All right, he'll get one shot at you. Not 7 or 8 like it did last time. Now you got to watch out for the cyclone that's there, because the cyclone will shoot you. No, he didn't. I'm surprised. All right, we're going to take out some of the air that we have to take out. Okay, we got to have a dogfight. Okay, move to the side. As soon as he shoots, move to the side. As soon as he shoots, move to the side. As soon as he shoots, move to the side. Okay, you won the dogfight. Now we're just going to go over here and take out the missile jammer. Then we can use missiles. That'll make it so much easier. All right, now we'll do much better. Now the missiles are gone. Now that the jammer's gone, we'll just whack these guys with missiles. He didn't get shocked, so we'll have to kill him. All right. Use the shock missiles, and you'll have a whole lot less damage. Now we got to come down here. Got to get rid of the hunter. We're going to do the same thing all over again. Send in a missile. Take out the hunter. Okay. Again, we're just taking out the air. Send in another missile. Take out the air here. Uh-oh. We got to get out of here. As soon as those two cyclones show up, we just wasted a missile. It happens. As soon as the cyclones show up, you got to leave. You can't fight two at once. You're seeing the good, bad, and the ugly of how this is done. Usually I get about 10 minutes repair. It's going to be more than that this time. Oh, I know what we can do before we do that. We won't have to deal with them anymore. Before we do that, we're going to take out the two airfields because the jammer's gone. See if they get through. Okay, they won't be back. Again, I'm just using dead eyes. Should have done that sooner. That's all right. Live and learn. Okay. Send the Knicks back in. Whoa, look at that. All right, now we'll send in the missiles to shock these guys. Then we'll kill these two guys here. Okay, take out these two. Now you're just going to start taking out a piece at a time. And this one's tricky because as soon as you shoot him, they're going to come out. Nothing you can do about it. So you just have to leave. When he goes back in, we'll come back and kill it. All right. Just take it out a piece at a time. Again, they're coming out after you, so wait till they go back. As soon as they go back, we'll take them out. All right. Again, you just take them out one at a time. Don't be in a hurry. Okay, let's take out this guy here so he doesn't sneak up and bite us. Now take out the Tempest, or whatever he's called. Right now it's time to send in, oh, this is going to be a problem. These two guys here, we got to do dog fights. But the first step is we got to get them distracted, so let's shock some of these guys because we can kill them. Okay, time for a dog fight.
All right, 1 minute. 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 1
As soon as he shoots, move. We should get him this time. All right, let's go get these guys. See if the shock will still survive. Okay, shock wore off. Okay, let's get out. When he puts an X on you, you got to get out so you don't die. We got too close. And the lag is terrible. I don't know how much we can get on the video, but we can give you an idea of how I do it. Making a lot of dumb mistakes. All right, again, we're going to have to just shock them. We got to get rid of the hunter. Hunter's the most dangerous one. He'll blow you out of the air. We're going to have another dogfight. Oh, good, he didn't move yet. Okay, here he comes. Got him. Get rid of the rest of the anti-air. All right, let's use another missile. No sense fighting it. We're going to run out of time, but I can show you how to get rid of all the air. Okay, there's only one more we have to get rid of right here. So we'll shock him and get rid of him. You got two right here that we got to get rid of. We got 30 seconds. Okay, let's get rid of these guys. Okay, that's it. Now the rest is just simple.